There are 4 command hooks and adhesive strips included in your Mermaid Party Kit for damage-free hanging. However, you do not have to use the included hooks and can hang your banners according to your preferences. In this video, you will learn how to install and remove the command hooks, as well as hang the happy birthday banners. A tip to help you center the banner is to align the first P in happy between the T and H in birthday as seen here.
The length of the pearl ribbon allows for you to decide how loose or tight you'd like to hang your banners. We recommend using a pencil to lightly mark your banner placement before attaching the command hooks to the wall. This task is done better in pairs. Preparation of installing your command hooks. The manufacturer advises to wipe your wall with rubbing alcohol, wait 7 days after painting before use, and to not use your mini hooks for picture hanging. The command strip has 2 sides. For easy removal when hanging, ensure that the flap is downwards. The first step is to remove the black liner and then center the command strip over the pencil marking that you made and press firmly for 30 seconds. The second step is to remove the blue liner from the strip. With your command hook facing upwards, you're going to take the back of the command hook and press it firmly against the strip, holding it firmly for another 30 seconds. Once all your hooks are up, wait 1 hour for adhesion to build. After an hour has passed, you are ready to hang your banners. Decide which gap you would like to place on the hook, center the gap behind the hook, twist upward on one side, and gently bring the gap down over the banner, and you're all set. Once your party is done and you are ready to remove your hooks, take your banners down. A tip is to never pull the strip away from the wall during removal. You will see the hook naturally lifting while it's being safely removed. To remove the hook, hold the hook firmly in place, grab your flap, and stretch it downward against the wall to release.